Title: Starting a Business with No Money. Practical Tips and Strategies Intro. Have you ever wanted to start your own business, but thought you needed a lot of money to get started? Well, think again. In this video, we'll explore some practical tips and strategies for starting a business with little to no money. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to take the first steps towards turning your business idea into a reality. Identifying your business idea. To start a business with no money, you need a business idea that can be executed on a low budget. What problem do you want to solve? What product or service can you offer that meets a genuine need? Take some time to brainstorm and write down as many ideas as possible. Don't worry too much about their feasibility at this stage. Researching and validating your idea. Once you have some ideas, research the market to see if there is demand for your product or service. You can use online tools like Google Trends or social media to gauge interest. Talk to potential customers and ask for feedback on your idea. This will help you validate your idea and make any necessary adjustments. Creating a business plan. A business plan outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It's essential for securing funding and investors, but it's also a useful tool for yourself. Break down your plan into smaller, manageable chunks and focus on the most critical aspects of your business. Don't worry too much about the financial side at this stage. Focus on the key activities and milestones. Bootstrapping your business. Bootstrapping means starting your business with your own resources, rather than borrowing or investing a lot of money. You can use free or low-cost tools, like open-source software or social media platforms, to get started. Be creative and resourceful. Look for ways to repurpose or reuse materials. Finding free or low-cost resources. There are many free or low-cost resources available to businesses, including online courses, mentorship programs, and coworking spaces. Look for government initiatives, grants, or crowdfunding platforms that can support your business. Building a team. You don't need to hire a team to start a business, but having a supportive network can be incredibly valuable. Consider partnering with friends or family members who share your vision. You can also join online communities or attend local business events to connect with like-minded entrepreneurs. Conclusion: starting a business with no money requires creativity, resourcefulness, and a willingness to take calculated risks. By identifying your business idea, researching and validating it, creating a business plan, bootstrapping your business, finding free or low-cost resources, and building a team, you can take the first steps towards turning your business idea into a reality. Call to action: if you're interested in starting a business with no money, subscribe to our channel for more practical tips and strategies. Share your own experiences or ask questions in the comments below. Remember, starting a business is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time.